What is going on YouTube? AVI back with another video, and here we are at the New York Auto Show 2025, and we are showing off this cool Honda Civic Type R 2025. Pretty cool car out here. We're going to compare it with the Acura Integra Type S, but yeah, we felt like we got to stop by and check this out. Let's start off with the engine specs. So here we are at the AVI channel. We like to start off with the engine just to get that out of the way. So you got an inline 4-cylinder turbo, making 315 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque, standard with a 6-speed manual transmission. Really good deal we got going here. It's got a heat extractor just to get out that hot air, and I kind of like the engine design anyways. Everything's like exposed, there's no big cover in the way. Pretty cool. Yeah. Close this up. This does have a pop rod. That's all right, I guess. Yeah. It's got a nice cool color, championship white it's called. There's no flecks of any sparkle. It's just like a flat white, and it's funny because you do get charged extra for that. But that's all right. Nice gloss black designs all around. I think I like gloss black. I think I like gloss black better than the flat blacks. You got your red Honda badge with your Type R here. No other Honda badge anywhere else, just like that front there. Gloss black continues on, side mirrors, 265 tires all around, 19-inch wheels. Pretty nice. Yep, I like the contrast. You get some aero in the from the brakes, some aero stuff going on. Yeah, and then the gas, it's not capless, which I'm kind of surprised. There is a cap there. You got to do it the old-fashioned way. Obviously takes premium, you know. Got the turbo. And you got a nice gloss black Type R specific wing. Looks really cool. Really cool. I actually like this generation better than the old one, just because it just like looks more formal, less sharp. But I don't know. Last generation, I guess it's like made for, you know, the riced out kids, I guess. But this one's more like formal version. I kind of like it. Civic, red Honda badge with the silver Type R. 3 exhaust tips there. Nice aggressive rear diffuser. And let's check out the trunk here since we're back here. I'm pretty sure it's a manual. Yeah, you got to do it manually, but that's all right. So a lot of space here. You do get a little cargo net, something just to hide your goodies. Let's see if you get a spare. No, you don't. Huh. It's kind of the trend nowadays. Yeah, a lot of space. It's got that hatchback design. 5 passengers. Yeah, let's check out the inside. So heading on into the Honda Civic Type R, nothing really on the door sill, just straight up paint. But you are introduced with this like unique, just straight red fabric all along the floor here. I feel like no other car has that feature. And you got nice red seats to match. Yeah, Type R on the seats. You do have these for your racing harness. That's what it's called. Yeah, you got the seats with the exposed holes for your racing harness if you wanted to add something like that. Yeah, let's head on inside. Yeah, standard, the 6-speed manual. Nice little silver or aluminum knob. Feels cold to the touch. Nice short throws, I guess. Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, nice, pretty standard. Pretty similar to the Acura Integra with the air vent design. Smaller screen, I think. You do get USB A's, no USB C's. Little wireless charging pad, 12-volt power outlet, drive modes, which in a manual is kind of weird. Isn't like the manual its own drive mode, I guess. Electronic e-brake, I'm not a fan of that, but you do have this brake hold function if you're like at a red light and you don't want to roll. I think it holds you for that moment, which is pretty cool. Obviously, we can't take a look at everything here. The screen's not on, but wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is all you need, really. Center console, little storage here, cup holders. Oh, and actually, let's see. It's just 4 seats. So 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I guess you can squeeze like somebody in the middle, but there is no seatbelt for that middle person. Yeah, no place for your sunglasses. It's just pretty basic in here. Same with the lights, just a little itty bitty light there. And I guess that's all you need for this track-oriented Civic Type R. So I think it's a buy. I do like the Acura Integra. Tim's going to review that next, but you guys decide where you guys are going to go for, Type R or Type S. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this review helped, and just like that, AVI out.